What's up mga ka-expert? It's me, Mike Manson.
Hi mga kids pa, ito pala yung compressor na sira na binabaklas namin. So ang gagawin namin ngayon ay magpipix kami ng compressor. At saka ito yung unit pala namin, package unit na nakahangin. So now, ang ginagawa namin is nagbe-bracing na kami. So kinakabit na namin yung suction niya.
Times are late under the moon, and I thank God I'm breathing. And I pray, don't take me soon, 'cause I am here for a reason. Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it get me down. So when negativity surrounds,